acceleration, windows up, and then we'll do windows down, normal acceleration in the car. It's not very loud. The camera might not even pick it up. If you floor it, it gets loud, but here's just normal acceleration. And then now I'm going to drop the windows down. You're really going to hear the wind noise more than you're even going to hear the exhaust with the windows down. It's not loud at all unless you get above like 3,000-4,000 RPMs, which is where I move it outside the car. But even inside the car, above like 3 or 4 grand, you almost hear more induction noise than you actually hear exhaust noise. It's a really good modification if you don't want something overbearing, and if you don't want to... Alright, so here's windows down, normal acceleration. And then windows down in the car, flooring it. You don't really hear a whole lot, if anything, other than just wind noise. When you floor it, you hear a little bit of the exhaust. It's perfect modification, I think. The best part of it is like the pops when the car downshifts and you let off the gas. Like Salamandrin calls them, the pops. But I think that's the best part. I don't know how well the camera picks all of it up in the car until I edit the video, so we will see. But thank you for watching. I hope you like what you see. A lot of BMW stuff to come and C10 stuff alike. So I hope you subscribe and check out my future videos. I'd really like the subscriptions, because then I know what videos people like and what they don't, because it tells me who subscribed by what video. And if you don't like the video, I'd still love it if you subscribe and you just let me know what I can improve on in the future. That way I have kind of a base on YouTube to tell me what I need to work on. Because if you watch the video, don't like something, don't subscribe, how am I going to know what to fix to gain my subscribers and start raising my channel up so I can start building it and doing cool stuff for you guys? And if I can build it up enough, I can start doing builds like that you guys want me to do, and different upgrades and reviewing them, show you guys. So I want to do that, and I just want to thank you for staying till the end of the video. It means a lot to me. So have a good day.